how to deposit money in Western Union. So what you want to do is open up the Western Union app, and once we have the app open, we will click on login, sign up, and just log in with your account. Okay, so once you have been logged in, it's gonna look a little something like this. It may vary depending on your region, but you want to send a new transfer or start a new transfer. Type the amount which you want to send. For example, here I'll do 10 of this currency. It's going to automatically detect how much the recipient is going to receive, and you can do this. So deposit money, you can either do cash pickup, and how will we pay? You can pay in cash, or if you have other versions of the app and live in a different region, you can deposit money using your information, so credit card information. Click on next here. I have some tests created for the recipients. I'm going to do this. You will need to type out their phone number, so on and so forth. And from the screen here, if you follow the prompts, you will get the option to deposit money. And you can just use your card to deposit money into Western Union. Unfortunately, for my region, I can only do cash, so I gotta go to a location and give the money there. But if your region allows it, you can deposit money into your Western Union. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.